Does NLP help to break behavior patterns in depression? This is a question I've been recently asked. So we know from the medical field that depression works as a lack of chemicals in between the neurotransmitters, and it has to do with dopamine and so on and so forth, right? From the NLP and timeline therapy perspective, it's kind of like, what's first, the chicken or the egg? Because without making any claim to heal anybody or to cure depression, because if you suffer of depression, definitely you should go seek the advice of a licensed healthcare provider, competent healthcare provider. However, that being said, interestingly enough, once people learn timeline therapy, which is a series of techniques that allow you to let go of negative emotions from the past, like sadness or depression, funny enough, the chemical imbalance kind of normalizes by itself. So the question is, what came first, depression and the chemical imbalance, or it's the chicken and the egg thing? But here is the thing. Once you go through depression and you feel really heavy and pushed down, it's almost like you create a certain pattern of thoughts which reflects in a certain patterns of behaviors, of course, because from the NLP point of view, the mind and body are interconnected. So once the depression's gone with timeline therapy, then you will run different mind tracks. You know the old saying, stop telling the story of your past and start creating the story of your future? That's not possible while you're feeling the negative emotions. But once the negative emotions are gone, you are free, your mind is free, that heaviness is gone. You feel lighter, your mind operates differently, so your behavior changes. So both NLP and timeline therapy, through their many techniques, of which I gave you just one example now, are giving you the how to change it, meaning your behaviors, your mindset, and your emotions, so it works positively for you and it doesn't bother you anymore. So both NLP and timeline therapy are a how to do it manual, so that you can reinvent yourself.